Look at the state of these wheels. Sorry, I'm moving the camera. Look at the state of these wheels. I cleaned them first with the cocktail stick, and you can see. Hopefully this is in focus for you. Also another thing, it's these wheels have got split axles, and so if I move the wheel over here, this one with the cocktail stick won't move because of the split axle. But you see all the rubbish that's coming off this. So I'll scrape things off with a cocktail stick, then using alcohol on the cotton bud, I give the wheel clean. You maybe can hear that, you hear a woodpecker outside. So here we are with trying to see all this muck coming off. So moving the camera again. It's because the camera's on top of the magnifying glass, so we can see better. Hopefully you can see better. And you see all the muck coming off. So we just keep going around, cleaning the wheel until we don't get any more black. Stuck there. Starting another cotton bud. The other end was dirty, so I didn't just throw a good one out. Hope you can see this, what's happening. Because of the split axle, I'm having trouble keeping the wheel still to give it a clean. But you see now that I'm turning the bud over, the cotton bud, and there's no black. So that's one wheel cleaned. 4 more wheels to clean and about 20 more wagons to do.